Hi guys, I'm Minnie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Um, I'm new to this, but I'm quite excited to share what I like. And obviously, I've been in this journey off camera for a long time, and I have kind of reached a stage where I pretty much kind of know which products really, really work. I've done a lot of experimentation, and finally, I'm at a stage where I think I can share my recommendation where I know this will definitely work for brown skin for sure, but for other skin types as well. So today I'm going to share my foundation recommendation. Um, Again, something that is a little personal because some people like it heavy, some people like it light, some people like skin like finish. So again, it's a little personal, but I feel that I like it something which is little skin like. I don't want it to be cakey. I don't want it to look too artificial. So I'm going to share the recommendation that I feel definitely will work and you won't regret buying them at all. Most of them that I'm going to share with you are actually a little bit on a pricier side, but I promise you guys, you just need a little bit. So this will kind of last you for more than a year, and if you don't use it too much, like on everyday basis, but these bottles will last you for a very long time. So if you feel they are expensive, it's worth every penny. Trust me on that. So I'm going to start with my number one recommendation. This is Giorgio Armani. This is shade 6.5. Um, I love this one. I just love this one. Very skin-like finish. I think it's pretty famous among celebrities as well. If I'm not sure, but I've heard Deepika Padukone also kind of likes this. So I will definitely recommend this Giorgio Armani for brown skin. Somebody who likes it subtle. Let me kind of quickly swatch it for you and show you. Guys, you just need little bit, okay? Very little. And it blends so quickly on the skin that you'll be surprised. I don't use too much of makeup tools. I pretty much use my hand and my fingers for most of my makeup because I'm always in a hurry. Okay. So see, if you see, it just blends so quickly, gives a very nice sheen. It's called luminous silk, and it'll give you definitely a little bit of luminous silk feel to it. So this is really good, guys. Please do give it a try. It's called Armani Luminous Silk in 6.5. Okay, this is my number one recommendation. The second one we are going to swatch is NARS. Again, no prize for guessing this. I think we all were desperate for it to come to India, and finally it has, so that we don't have to kind of look for it at duty free or when we travel abroad. But this is something that I think everybody loves. And I obviously was a huge fan of NARS, but when it came to India, I really wanted to try the shades, all the shades, to figure out which one suits me. So I got the shade Barcelona. It works very well for me. Again, lightweight formula, this is all that you would need. It is buildable, of course, but like I said, I like it very skin-like. I don't want anything too cakey. So you can pretty much build it up if you want to, but it really kind of gets absorbed in the skin beautifully, and it again feels like your second skin, and it also kind of gives you a little sheen, which is what I like. I don't like too much matte, and because my face is also not very glowy, guys. So this is what it looks like. I hope you can see. Great product, of course, worth every hype. NARS shade Barcelona. This is my second recommendation. The third recommendation that I'm going to give you is Dior. I love Dior for all of its products. I don't know how they crack it, but I have not regretted buying any Dior product. So I'll probably kind of make a video someday on Dior products, but this is my third recommendation. It's called Forever Skin Glow. This is in the shade 4W. Again, very brown skin friendly. Again, that's all you need, guys. That's all you need. Trust me. You know, these balls are expensive, but you don't need too much product. You just need very little product. See, it just quickly blends in, you know. I don't even have to put in so much effort. And it almost again feels like skin, you know. It's so pretty. I'm also wearing it, guys. So this is how it looks like. This is Dior Forever Skin Glow shade 4W. The fourth one I'm going to recommend is Charlotte Tilbury. They somehow kind of get the airbrush look, I don't know how, but they just really get the airbrush look. So I'm going to recommend this foundation. It's called Airbrush Flawless Foundation in the shade 7 Neutral. Quickly kind of swatch it for you. Again, you just need a very little. I'm going to blend it from my hand. So this is little bit thicker in terms of its formulation. I think probably also because, you know, the kind of finish it gives you. I don't obviously need to build it up. It really actually kind of covers my flaws and makes it look flawless, as the name suggests. So yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. Again, you know, very nice, subtle, you know, very airbrush kind of feel to it. But it's really good, guys. Last but not the least, I think one celebrity who understands brown skin like no one else does is our Rihanna. Okay. So my fifth recommendation and last recommendation is Fendi Beauty. So glad that they came to India, but you know, I kind of still miss us not being able to get the latest products in India, but that's fine. I think we'll adjust, we'll get there. But for now, I love this Fendi Beauty. It's called the shade, it's Pro Filter Foundation, and the shade is 300. Again, I think Rihanna herself tells you to use your fingers with this foundation. See, so this is how the formulation is, very smooth. She in fact, you know, tells you that you can pretty much use this foundation with your hands and your fingers. You can blend it with your fingers. So she also promotes what we like to do. So see, again, you know, great coverage from that perspective. This one is little bit on a matte side, I would say. It's not like very shiny or not luminous or too glowy, more on the matte side. Yeah. Okay. So these are my 5 recommendations for foundation. Let me quickly recap for you. Giorgio Armani, I love. Dior foundation, amazing. Again, a lot of makeup artists internationally also use it. NARS, of course, it's now a household foundation, I would say. Probably everybody has it. And Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, again a great one to have. And of course, our very own Fendi Beauty. So these are my foundation recommendation. Tell me what you like. Have you used any of these? And are your preferences different? Please do share your views with me, and please do like it if you think this was useful and if you want me to create more videos. So I love you. See you next time. Bye.